Summer adventures. In a land filled with sunshine, many young people go to school. They learn about numbers, letters, and the world. But when summer comes, the schools close their doors. It's time for a new adventure. Many students get a summer job. This helps them earn money for school and fun things. Some students work with children. They play games and teach new things at summer camps. Others become lifeguards. They watch over swimmers at pools and beaches to keep them safe. Some students do strong work. They help build houses or work on big farms under the warm sun. You can also find students working in stores. They help people find what they need and work at the cash register. Many students work in restaurants. They bring yummy food to tables or help cook in the kitchen. Some students work in offices. They help with papers, computers, and delivering mail. Summer jobs are a great way to make new friends and earn money. It's a fun break from school and a new adventure every day.